Hi, today I'm going to show you how I play Rocky Mountain Way. I'm tuned to E, low E, B in the middle, high E. Normally this is tuned to G, but the strings are pretty heavy so it doesn't hurt it to go down to E, which is the key the song is in. I'm going to start with the open string, low open string, and these two strings on the 12th fret. I'm going to hit it twice. The very first time he does it, he does kind of like an upstroke, like a da-da-da. Right? If you don't get that and you just go twice, that's fine. Okay? And then I hit the low again and go up to 14 here. Sounds like this. I'll try to do that slow. Okay, now you notice a piano comes in here somewhere, and unless you got a piano player in your pocket, you're probably going to want to do it yourself. So what you do for the piano is you just drop down 2 frets. I'll show you how that fits in. So you're doing this. That's how you fit that in there. So you're kind of covering 2 or 3 parts there. So when you've had enough of that, you stop on that on the 2 12s. Go into the song, which is 0 0 5 5 3 2 0 0. And then the bass carries the rhythm. But if you don't have a bass player in your pocket, you just kind of do a shuffle rhythm. When it's time to go up to the 4 chord, which is on the 5th fret, so this would be an E chord, 4 chord would be A. So he climbs up using the 3rd fret and the 4th fret. And my suggestion there is just keep the rhythm, either with your pick or with your pick and fingers. And then when you go back to E, you can do the walk and blues sort of thing. That's using the 2 open strings for the chord, and then the 2nd fret on the middle string, and the 3rd fret on the middle string. And then back to A, 5th fret. And then up to the 7th fret, which is the 5 chord, B. When you go back to the song, you go to the piano part. And I think you do that 4 times, I'm just guessing there, and then you're back into the song. Okay, I hope I covered all the main parts of that song for you. Have a great day. Bye.